I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the Morning Market Minute for Thursday, October 30th. Soybeans ended an up and down overnight session, mostly higher, encouraged by news out of South Korea that China will be buying more U.S. soybeans here in the near future. Still, the quantities and timing are a little bit questionable at this point, and we're going to have to rely on private reports and the Pacific Northwest basis to really give us a clue as to when those purchases happen, with USDA's weekly export sales numbers and daily sales announcements suspended by the partial shutdown of the federal government. Corn was also mixed overnight, mostly lower, consolidating just a little bit. Demand continues to be solid, but the trade is expecting some big crops this year out of Argentina and Brazil more than likely, with planting going well and development weather generally looking good, at least over the near term. Chicago and Kansas City wheat were down, watching the tail end of U.S. winter wheat planting, also keeping an eye on development conditions globally with some recent beneficial rainfall falling in parts of the Black Sea region and Europe and Australia. When trade resumes at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange this morning, live and feeder cattle could be responding to a couple of different things. It looks like the U.S. border is going to remain closed to imports of feeder cattle from Mexico for now. That's going to keep supplies tight. But what trade we have seen at the major sale barns and at the direct cash cattle markets has been sharply lower than last week, down about $8 to $10 on the live basis and about $9 lower than the dress basis. And as for hogs, they could respond to a few different factors as well. Hog weights were up on the week and the year, and the pork carcass cutout value hasn't been performing all that great as of late, but it has shown a little bit of firmness at times. With the Morning Market Minute for Thursday, October 30th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.